I try. From my lips to I try all the time. In this institution, and I pray. From my lips to I pray every single day for a revolution. And so I wake up in the morning when I step outside, and I take a deep breath, and I get real high, and I scream on top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, yeah, yeah.